Good morning students. Today I am going to discuss today I am going to show you how to write the structure of the following compounds organic. First is 1-chloro-2-methyl propane. So first you have to write propane. So propane is a 3-carbon organic compound. Propane is a 3-carbon. One position is occupied by chlorine, so you can write chlorine, and 2 position is methyl, that is CH3. Rest position you can write hydrogen to complete the valency of carbon. So this is 1-chloro-2-methyl propane. 1-chloro-2-methyl propane. Next is 1,2-dichloroethane. So first you have to write ethane. Ethane is a 2-carbon compound, organic compound, and both the positions are occupied by chlorine. So this is 1,2-dichloroethane. Now coming to benzene diazonium chloride, first you have to write benzene, and diazonium group is N2 plus and Cl minus. So this is called benzene diazonium chloride. This is called benzene diazonium chloride. Next is N dimethyl aniline. So first you have to write aniline. As we know, aminobenzene is also called aniline. So first you write down aniline. NH2. In place of H2 you have to write 2-methyl group. 2-methyl group means CH3 whole 2. So N dimethyl aniline. N dimethyl aniline means the 2 methyl groups are attached to nitrogen, so it is called N dimethyl aniline. The last question is cyclohexane carbaldehyde. Cyclohexane carbaldehyde. So first you have to write cyclohexane. So this is cyclohexane. Carbaldehyde means having a CHO group, aldehydic group. So CHO group. So this is called cyclohexane carbaldehyde. Cyclohexane carbaldehyde. Acetophenone. So before you know how to write 4-fluoride, first you have to know what is acetophenone. So acetophenone is methyl phenyl ketone. So this is acetophenone. So this position is given 1, that's why it is acetophenone. So 2, 3, 4. So 4 position is fluoro. So this is 4-fluoroacetophenone. Next is benzophenone. So you have to write 2 benzene rings separated by a carbonyl group. So this is benzophenone. Next is benzene 1,2-dicarboxylic acid. That means it has 2 COOH groups. So 2 COOH group you have to place in 1 and 2 position. So that is benzene 1,2-dicarboxylic acid. Next is phenyl ethanoic acid. So this has been derived from ethanoic acid. You know that CH3 COOH is ethanoic acid. But here phenyl group is attached here. So we have to remove one hydrogen and place a phenyl group. Phenyl group can be written as PH, or you can write C6H5 also. So this is phenyl ethanoic acid. Next is 2,4,6-trinitrobenzoic acid. So first you write benzoic acid. This is benzoic acid. And 2,4,6. This position, and this position has nitro group in it. So this is 2,4,6-trinitrobenzoic acid. 1,3,5-tribromobenzene. So first you have to draw benzene, and then you have to attach 3 bromine. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1,3,5-tribromobenzene. So this is done. Next is chlorophenylmethane. So first you have to draw a benzene or phenyl ring, and then you have to put CH2Cl. So this is a benzene ring. So this can be written like this also. You first draw a benzene ring and then CH2Cl. So this is called chlorophenylmethane. The common name is also benzyl chloride. Next is 1,4-dibromobutene. So first you have to draw butene. So this is butene, and 1 and 4 position is bromine. So 1, 4 position is bromine. So you place 1 and 4 position bromine, and rest position you can just put hydrogen. So this is 1,4-dibromobutene. Next is hexane 1,6-dionic acid. So you write a 6 carbon with the last 2, means 1 and 6 position is a carboxylic group. So this is dicarboxylic acid, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is hexane dioic acid. This is hexane dioic acid. This is also called adipic acid. Next is 4-oxopentanol. So how we will write 4-oxopentanol? First, what we have to do, we have to write pentanol. Pentanol is a 5 carbon aldehyde. So this is pentanol. So this is the aldehyde group, and 4 position is oxo. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the ketonic group. Rest position you put hydrogen, and this is 4-oxopentanol. 4-oxopentanol. So this is 4-oxopentanol. Next is sodium benzoate. So first you have to write benzene, you have to draw, and then COONA. This is sodium benzoate. It is used as a food preservative. It is used as a food preservative. Next is 4-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid. So first draw benzene sulfonic acid. This is benzene sulfonic acid. And fourth position is chlorine. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So fourth position is chlorine. So this is called 4-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid. Next is 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. So draw first phenol. This is phenol. And then the 2 position and the 4 position and 6 position, it is nitro group. So 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. This is 18 number, that is 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. Next is meta-dinitrobenzene. So first you have to draw benzene, and meta position is 1, 3 position. So put 2 nitrogen group at 1 position and 1 at 3 position. So its UPAC name is 1,3-dinitrobenzene also. It is called meta-dinitrobenzene. Next is propane 1,2,3 tricarbonaldehyde. So in this case, to give equal treatment to all the aldehyde group, we write 3 carbon and we add CHO, CHO, CHO. So this is propane 1,2,3 tricarbonaldehyde. You can just write down the respective number of hydrogen to complete the valency of carbon. So this was all about writing the structures of organic compounds. I hope you understood, student. In my next video, I will be discussing more about how to write structures of organic compound as well as some other topics. Thank you so much. Do like and subscribe my channel for more such videos. Thank you.